Welcome to the United Utilities Interactive Process Map. There are three processes on the map. In blue, the wastewater treatment process, in red, the sludge treatment process, and in yellow, the renewable energy process. The interactive map can be used sequentially. As you can see, Stage 1, the inlet, is flashing, so let's begin there. Some of the areas will have two-dimensional images such as this, whilst others will have 360-degree images. You'll notice that there are tags on each of the images. These may be informational tags, links to videos, or simply navigation tags. When we return to the interactive map, we can see that we have already visited Stage 1, and the arrows are pointing us to Stage 2, which is also flashing. Here at the screens, we have a 360-degree image, which is fully explorable left to right and up and down. Yet again, you'll notice there are information tags, links to videos, and even a sub-area to explore. On occasion, you may notice two processes flashing at the same time to show that they are part of the same stage. Once we have completed the water treatment process, we can move on to the red sludge treatment process and then the yellow renewable energy process. Another feature of the interactive process map is this link on the right-hand side to learn more about careers with United Utilities. Browse to the menus, reading the information and watching the videos to find out about the roles that exist at United Utilities. At any stage, you can go back to the previous menu or back to the interactive map.